Okay na.
Magalang! Opo!
Kulit. Oh, masayahin.
Tulungin.
Humble.
You bring the sunshine into my life. Your lips are burning and the feeling is right. I can't believe it's true that you're mine. Don't let me down, 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 down. Happy. It's so nice to be happy.
Making my way downtown.
Hi Pao, happy birthday. Sorry hindi ako pwede ngayon, pero alam mo naman, busy. Sana mapagbigyan mo ako ngayon, pero babawi ako, promise. Madami pa tayo inuman sessions. Stay young, stay beautiful, stay smart, and stay in love with paring Wes. Kasi siya yung nag-isip nito, siya yung gumawa nito, promise. Ang lupit nito. Ang ano ko lang, sana magpatuloy pa yung pagiging bait mo na kaibigan at kapatid, anak, saka boyfriend ni Wes. Ay, hindi, joke lang, girlfriend ni Wes. Sana, ano ba? Magpatuloy pa yung pagkakaibigan natin na matagal yung barkadahan natin, sana tumagal pa. At sana, hindi magbago kahit kumanda tayo. Ayun, happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday pa ako kay. Happy birthday.
Kasi makulit eh, yung boyfriend ko eh.
And walang maregalo sa'yo eh. Friendship na lang. Thank you. And ilang terms na makakilala. Close tayo agad. And good health. Saka pag-aaral magalingan mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. And I don't wanna let you know I drown in your memory. I don't wanna let this go. I don't.
Happy birthday, Pao!
Dapat may message pa?
Oo na, kaya.
Hi, Pao! Happy New Year! New Year! Dapat yung boyfriend! Dito si Ase.
Ay, grabe.
Joke lang. Happy birthday! Yung sa inyo ni Ase, yung masyadong sweet na ingit ako eh.
Happy birthday, Pao!
Ano yung babapatay?
Pawa!
Panalo!
新期待新年 birthday 平平西土 Lisi Pepsi Kuka Puchaba Tusinia Turta extra kanina 신이나 신부분 진수 Happy birthday Paongit
Happy birthday! Wala pang 5 minutes nung nagsabi si Ase na gawan daw ito ng video. So ngayon, ayun, sana maging okay pa kayo. Sana, syempre, sana center niyo pa rin si God. And sana mas maging mabuti kayong ehemplo sa isa't isa para syempre para sa inyo na rin. Ayun, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday! Ano na? Okay na. Happy birthday, Pao. Uy!
Okay na? Happy birthday, Pao!
Go! Happy birthday, Pao. Happy birthday, Pao. God bless.
Pao, happy birthday. Scotch ka pala. Nahilig ako sa scotch.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Good luck sa love life, career, and school. Alam ko naman kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa. Basta andito na kami lagi para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Solid tayo. Birthday! Love you!
Hi, Tol! Happy birthday! Nakaswerte naman ni Wesley. May paganto-ganto pa. Nakakainis. Nakakaingit. Hindi, joke lang. Ngayon, sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung mga swerte sa buhay mo. Huwag ka rin magbabago syempre. Ugali mo na mabait, makulit, sayahin, helpful, magalang, gano'n. Malayo matagating mo yan, promise. Sure ako. Siyempre, huwag mo nakalimutan. And huwag mo rin kakalimutan na maging humble palagi. And siyempre, thank you. Alam mo na ang kanina. Ayun. Ayun, tama na. Pang-debo na tong message ko sa'yo. Naintindihan ka na. Ayun, mag-aral ka mabuti. Huwag puro boyfriend. Just, ayun. Puro ayun. Ano pa ba? Ayun, lagi na ako nandito. Siyempre, lapit lang natin. Best friends forever. Ayun. Happy birthday ulit. I love you, Tol. Mwah.
Happy 19th birthday. Katulad na sinabi ko sa'yo kanina na gumagawa tayo ng cheesecake. Sabi ko, Ditch, 1 year, exactly 1 year ago, kakadibo mo lang, tapos ngayon 19 ka na. Sabi ko, shit, tanda ko na. Accept mo na lang. Ito alam dalawan lahat eh. Mag-aral ka na mabuti. Yung usapan natin, kailangan mauunahan mo mag-graduate ng college bago ako graduate ng high school. Kung makakalimutan yun, dapat talaga matupad yun. Para pag nagdibo ako na nag-aaral. Yun lang. Happy birthday, I love you.
Hi, Pao. Very nice. I want to greet you. Happy birthday. Thank you for being a good friend to me. I'm always here for you. I love you and have a great birthday, Bash!
Pao, happy birthday! Wala na akong boses. Love you, more birthday to come.
Happy birthday. Alam ko malaking tulong yung dito sinagot kasi nakita ko naman masaya ka na kay Ase, kaya happy birthday. Stay pretty. Bakit meron? Meron?
Uy, game na to!
Ay, game na ba? So, naman. Hi, Pao. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat na natulong mo sa akin. Ano pa ba? Yun lang.
Ako naman. Hi, Pao. Happy birthday. Salamat dun sa mga pinagsamahan natin. Hindi ko yung makakalimutan. Saka, happy birthday. Yung pizza, alam mo na.
Tingnan sa camera. Oh, ano sabihin mo? Ano? Ulit mo, ha?
dito. Sana'y naibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa munting arana para sa'yo.
Baby squirrel, use a sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Ooh, whoa. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Fine, so fine. Ooh, whoa. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh, mine. Mine, oh, mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You know you can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure you. Oh, oh. Pretty girl, you should be smiling. A girl like you should never look so blue. You're everything I see in my dreams. I wouldn't say that to you if it wasn't true. Ooh, whoa. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Fine, so fine. Ooh, whoa. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh, mine. Mine, oh, mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You know you can make my wish come true. If you let me.
Number daw ni Pam. Eh, number daw ni Pam. Uy!